Hey guys, this is your homeboy Josh, and for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add music in Scratch. So basically, there are a lot of ways to do this, and this is my way of doing it. So first block when green flag is clicked, and then in sounds, obviously, um, there's nothing in here that I have. So I just simply upload my sound. So let's just say I upload a sound. Uh, let's say I upload this one. Okay, I upload this one, and then I use this one to be used in here. So play sound. Okay, it's Y2 mate because it's from YouTube, obviously. And then let's just repeat. Let's put the repeat block. You can put the repeat block, or you could simply use the forever loop. All right. So that's how easy it is to add music in your Scratch. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Peace out.